Okay, so what I found from the clips that we were supposed to watch was that the governor from Virginia um, was very harsh spoken towards hate speech. Basically told um, people to go away, go home, and was very a good speaker. So that means um, he's very engaging, very serious about his position. As for Trump, he's not very serious about his position. He basically calls out reporters or other media people that um, like to ask questions. So he doesn't like that. He basically goes and says that you're fake or that um, they're not good people. Basically swaying away from the conversation that reporters are trying to have. He's never really on topic at all. When it comes to the semantic analysis, so for I did 20 words of for each one. Um, so the governor, the nouns had about 35%, verbs 40%, describing words 15, grammatical and question words. I did not find any for those. And then other was 20%. For Trump, nouns was about 25%, verbs were 20, describing words were 25, grammatical and question words were 0 because I couldn't find anything, and then other was about 30%. Both of these added up to about 100%, which is what we needed. And then the comparison, so for the governor, I rated him pretty high because he was a good speaker, he was engaging, he was organized, whereas Trump, he wasn't organized, he wasn't engaging, he was swaying from the conversation that he was trying to have, basically pinning it on like, oh, reporters are not good, instead of being like, here's what this, and this is, and going to answer questions about the topic that was supposed to be discussed. Thank you for listening to this. That's not the greatest, but I did my best. If you have any questions, please email me. Otherwise, yeah.